Hi guys, so for today's video I want to talk about my PMD system, and I'm going to include a clip of how I use it right now. Alright guys, so in the description bar below you will find a coupon code. That coupon code gives you 25% off your order. So in the description bar below there is a link as well as the coupon code. So the link takes you to the page, and then the coupon code gives you the 25% off. So again, there is a link in the description bar as well as the coupon code as well to purchase and get your 25% off as well. So in the kit you get a CD, a PMD CD thingy, and I recommend you watch this before you do anything at all. I watched this CD 2 or 3 times. There's a CD and it's like a booklet thingy, and it comes with a CD as well. Read this before you put anything on your face. Listen, watch and read before you put anything on your face. Then in the packet you have these 3 things. You have the toner, the moisturizer, and the cleanser. I've only used the moisturizer once because I have my own stuff I used to moisturize. And this is the kit. So this is what I used to that you saw me using in the video. And this, it comes with different parts on top here, but I've been using this since I've had it, and I've been using this now for 5 weeks. 5 weeks. I used it yesterday. That's the clip that you saw. You saw me last night using it. So fresh day. And yeah, so this is it, the PMD system. And PMD means personal microderm. So PMD means personal microderm. So you can get this professionally done at, I don't know, a place of medicalness, or you can get it done at home. Now what I love about this at home kits is that you do it on your own time. You spend the money one time and you can get to clean your face. So with it as well you have this cord thingy here, and the directions is on it when you get it, and they have 3 other, I think these are extensions thingy, 1, 2 and 3 extension thingies, and you have a bigger one here for your body and some other discs here as well. So I have not touched these yet because I wanted to do this full review here. The one that I have in, I think it's called Test, but you have one that goes for normal skin and sensitive skin and stuff like that. But I just want to say that what I use to wash my face is my Cetaphil, and this one is daily facial cleanser for normal to oily skin. So I use that to wash my face, and I use the Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser after that. And this is what I prefer using. I really prefer using my simple toner, but for the life of me I did not know where this was last night. I was like, who on earth took up my toner? So I didn't know where this was, but this is the toner I love to use. And what you saw me using last night, yes, in the clip before, sorry, I keep on saying last night, and the clip before was this tea tree water by Lush. I have fallen in love with Lush products. They have this this scrub, this blue, it's called Ocean Sea Salt or Ocean Salt Scrub. Amazing. When I'm not using the scrub, I'm using this, and the only reason I'm using this is because I ran out of my scrub, and I went ahead and I made another order for some other herbal thing that they have. It's green, so I want to try that one out. But yeah, so that's what I've been using with along with my PMD system. Now if you're a little bit scared, I would say go ahead and get the toner, moisturizer and cleanser that PMD offers, because of course it will definitely increase your results, because you'll be using the system that the company set out to use with the system. So I'd say definitely do that. If that's something that you want to invest in, you can do that, but this is what I've been using because this is what I've had on hand. Now you guys have been telling me that my skin looks really good, and oh my god, Lyric, what are you doing? This is what I've been doing. This PMD really I love it. What the PMD does, it removes a layer of your skin. So I have like these two black spots, one here and one up here, and it used to be coarse, and I used to pick it like 3-4 months. It just be scab. Once I started using my PMD, within the second week, that scab was gone, and all I'm working on getting rid of is the texture that's there and also the color as well. But the scab is gone. I love my PMD system. I'll leave all the information below. There's nothing bad I can say about this, nothing bad. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll answer as best as I can in the description bar below. Price, I'll look it up and then leave that as well in the description bar below for you guys. But I will say that you need to watch the disc before you get started. This is very important. You cannot go over 2 years twice, because you're removing skin and you'll actually give yourself a scar, and you don't want that. So this is what I've been using, and this is how my skin has come. My skin has come a far way, and I still do get pimples, and I've noticed that around when it's my time of the month, I'm getting pimples, and that was never the case for me. So I guess I'm getting up in age, so I'm having like period pimples. So oh my god, period pimples. So yeah, but I love my PMD system, and I would definitely encourage you to save if you have to save, or if you don't have to save, go ahead and whip your credit card out and purchase, because I've had it for 5 weeks, months and some change, and I love it. I use it once a week as recommended, or every 6 days as recommended, and I'm not disappointed. I know a month is long to see any change, but you're going to love the change, I say, especially if you have acne prone skin, scarring. It's good because it's removing a layer of your skin, and your skin would naturally regenerate and give you new skin. So this system is scientifically and being that it's at home, I carry this with me everywhere. If I'm sleeping over a friend's house, it has to come with me, because I'm not leaving my PMD. I am not. So yeah, so that's basically it. That's what I've been doing for my clear skin. That's what I've been doing, nothing else, nothing more, and that's what I've been using on my face as well. And as I saw in the clip before, I just use my cotton balls. For my moisturizer, I use an SPF moisturizer. For all us makeup girls out there, your makeup products should not have the SPF in it. What should have the SPF is your moisturizer. So you apply moisturizer, then you makeup over it, you know, SPF, flashback, all that junk. But yeah, PMD, thank you so much for giving me this item to review. They contacted me, and I was humbled, because I've always seen people talk about them. I was like, oh gosh, I want to try, and I got the opportunity to. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and I love you, and it works. It really does work, you guys. Bye.